Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take a scrolling screenshot on the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So a scrolling screenshot is basically a screenshot that takes an image of a full, let's say for example, web page. So it doesn't contain just your screen, but also anything underneath the screen. So if you scroll up, there's going to be some other details and it's going to capture all of them. And to take the scrolling screenshot, the first thing that we need to do is open up the page that we want to take a screenshot of. So it could be either some Google web page or even your Facebook main feed. And after you've opened that up, we're going to start from the point where we want the screenshot to start. So what's going to be on the top. And then we're going to take a screenshot by pressing the power button and the volume down buttons at the same time, like this. And then we're going to press on scroll once it appears on the bottom left. And it's going to say taking a scrolling screenshot. And you can either scroll yourself to make the size of the screenshot bigger so it loads the rest of the web page, or you can do auto scroll so it scrolls for you and generates the full screen. So we're going to wait for the whole page to basically load. As you can see, we're at the bottom of the page, and now we press done, and it's going to save our screenshot. We can tap on it again, and this is what the screenshot is going to look like. So as you can see, it contains pretty much the whole web page. So it looks like this. And now we're in the editing section. We can use the AI editor, crop, adjust pretty much anything that you can do with a normal screenshot. So let's say I want to crop it a little, so we can do crop and then crop again, and then just use the slider on the bottom to adjust the size. So I'm going to make it a little smaller, then press done and save. I'm going to save this as a copy, and now the screenshot is going to be saved in our Photos app. So let's go to the Photos app, and here's where we can find it. So we have two screenshots, the full page one and the cropped one. And this is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.